project. Right now we are going to look at the Google Docs and see how we can create a Google Doc and the different features you can use with this. Right now I just put some dummy text in here. So I'm going to take this dummy text. I'm going to show you how we can adjust it, change it around, do different things with it. Okay, so how this works is like this. Let's say I wanted to put a heading on top of my Google Doc. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say the name of the heading, and I want this to stand out a little different. So instead of normal text, I'm going to go here and I'm going to do heading number 1. And I am going to then, once it's here, I might want to change the font a little bit, make that Georgia. And I would want to come over here and I want to center align it. So it'll look like this. Now, once you have that, there's a lot of cool things you can do with this. But right now, we're looking at this is how it looks. Now, another thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to insert an image into our document as well to give you an idea. But let's just really quick, this right now, before I go any further, this text is Arial 10.5. And what I want to do, I want to change it all to 12. And I'm going to make this Times New Roman. So there we go. That's where we're at so far. And now I also want to insert an image into this document. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to put the image right here. I want it right in the center, like right in this area right here. So I'm going to go to the Insert and click Image. And I can upload from the computer or search from the web or go from the drive. Now, I don't really have any images right now in this particular drive. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to search the web. Now, this is one of the cool features about Google Docs, and it's very similar to clip art in Microsoft Word, where you can search for clip art from the web and all other places. But right now, let's search for an image of a pen. Just really simple, a pen. Just a pen. And let's see what we got. Okay, so here we go. We have different pens. And right now, I'm going to take, let's say I'm going to take this one here. I'm going to take a look at it. And I'm going to insert it. And it's going to go in right over here. Now, that's huge, correct? So what we're going to do is we're going to click it like that, and we're going to get a border around it. And once we get a border around it, I'm going to take this. I'm going to shrink it down, as you can see. And now, it's in line with these words. So the picture is in line right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click Wrap Text. And when I click Wrap Text, all this text is going to go right around this picture. Watch this. I'm going to give this a click right here. And it looks like that. Just real simple stuff. And maybe I want my heading. You can do text color. So I want it to look like this, a little darker. And I want my heading to be bold. There we go. Now, these are just some things you can do with Google Docs. And what we're going to do now is we're going to save this. It's saved as Practice Doc. We're going to go to File. Now, one of the really cool things about Google Docs that you really don't get with a normal, regular downloaded copy of Microsoft Word. I don't want to say the newest version, 365, because I believe that saves in the cloud as well. But right here, all changes are saved to drive. You never have to save your work. Everything is always changed, automatically saved in the drive. And there you have it. With everything saved, you made your first practice doc. And what's really cool is that now, if I go back and look at this in the Google Drive, let's see if I can go back into my drive and take a look. I'm going to have my first document right here, Practice Doc. We'll talk more about what we can do with this Practice Doc as far as sharing it and getting collaborators in another video. Hope you enjoyed this one. See you on the next one.